Hey there, friends. Today we're making an amazing paper craft. A paper balloon popper that can actually pop balloons. It's super easy and even kids can follow along with our step-by-step instructions. All you need is a regular sheet of paper, a few simple folds, and your popper starts to take shape. Then we add a small rubber band, and it's ready to launch. Just pull it back, let go, and pop. It bursts the balloon with a snap. It's fun, safe, and a great little project to do by yourself or with friends. If you enjoyed this DIY, please support our channel by giving us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new paper craft tutorial, and let us know in the comments. Did your popper work? We'd love to hear how it went.